The Model 96401 wet grinder is the ideal machine for glass, lapidary, plastic, carbon fiber, and other finishing applications. Its wet capability optimizes dust control and minimizes heat buildup. Like all BURR grinders, this machine allows for quick and easy belt change. The belt tracking was designed with both simplicity and effectiveness in mind, and is complete with safe track guarding. The adjustable working position provides the convenience of both vertical and horizontal grinding. The Model 96401's powerful integrated water-fed system offers many high-end features, providing a powerful and efficient wet grind. The Model 96401 is not merely a wet grinder, however. Dry grinding is also an option with this machine by simply turning off the pump.